Hi guys, happy Sunday. So now I'm adding in my continue the process. Thank you. Now guys, I'm prepping my seasoning for my rice. This will enhance the flavor guys. Now guys, I'm adding all of my paper over my rice. Coming down nicely. It goes down. I'm gonna add some boiling. Now guys, I'm adding in my boiling water, my goat, all covered, and I'm gonna continue with the process guys. Now guys, I'm closing the lid. So guys, I'm finishing up my goat. So today I'll be adding in some ram goat. Run it through the sieve, the strainer, just to get the powder. Enhance the flavor of the goat. Not putting a lot because it's salty. I don't want it to get too salty. So this is how I do it guys. Now I'm gonna add in my cut up seasoning. So I have some chopped onion. Now I'm gonna stir. I'm gonna incorporate everything, the flavor up. I'm gonna do put. Now guys, I am plating for me. I will be adding a lot. Is this enough for you, sir?
Beautiful. Here are the dinner guys. Ready to eat. Cut it guys. Beautiful. So now guys, I'll be trying my dinner, the goat and the rice and peas. Let me try the rice and see how it tastes. Yeah. And this down the coconut. And this is nice. I'm gonna taste the goat now. Yeah. Real good, real ram good. And
the seasoning.
Seasoning. The right combination of seasoning. The ram goat noodle. Right? Wonderful.
Enhance the flavor, right?
And this vegetable now. The vegetable. Wonderful. I love it. Thank you guys. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel, Chris, Pastry and Vlog. And leave a comment and tell me what you think about this video. Thank you guys. Peace out.
Thanks for watching. Happy Sunday.